welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today I'm going to do my mommy's makeup blindfolded. Let's get started. First, a quick to make your face wet.
Let me take these
Wait,
off.
and you want these.
You want me to put these in? Okay.
Put them
Alright, there's one.
on.
Oh, there we go.
First,
And you can just tell me what you want next and I'll hand it to you.
yeah. Okay.
My face. No, don't look. Don't look.
It's hard not to.
Okay.
You gonna look so good. Done.
Okay.
Now I need the blender.
Okay, hold on. Let me put that back. And here's the blender.
Am I done?
Yeah, I don't know. You tell me. Do you think
I
you're
don't
done?
know.
Do you think you're done?
What do you think, camera? I think I'm done. Okay, lipstick.
Lipstick next. Okay, hey, you look like you're peeking of your hand like that.
My eyes are closed, you see?
Oh, okay. Well, you don't need to keep your head like that. Just keep your head straight. There we go. Lipstick. All right.
Okay, I don't know where it is.
I got it right there.
Okay. Give me your face. Where are you? Okay, done. Blush.
Here's a blush. Let me get you a brush.
Blush, brush. Rhymes.
Yes. Here, we'll use this one.
You're looking so good.
Yeah, I am, aren't I?
Yeah, okay. Next, bronzer.
Bronzer. Okay.
Let's get a new brush.
Yep. Here's the bronzer.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Right there.
Where? Is this your face?
Mm-hmm.
Highlighter.
That's a lot of highlighter.
You're looking shiny.
I'm going to do with as much as you were.
Next, pencil.
The pencil?
Yeah.
The eyeliner?
Yeah.
You be gentle with this.
Okay. This is new to my life.
Okay.
I'm blindfolded. I don't know where your eyes are. Where's your eyes?
Yeah, what about the other eye? There we go. There's my eyes.
Okay, done. Let's see. What did we not do? The thing with the purple lid.
The concealer.
Yeah, concealer.
Usually concealer comes after foundation, but that's alright.
Okay, where did I put it?
Right there. Look at gentle child.
I think I'm done. Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
Maybe
Alright.
I'll do good on this. Okay. I'm gonna peek for a second so I can choose my colors.
Just don't peek at me yet.
Okay, I'm gonna get a brush. Yellow.
Okay. And blindfold.
Okay, let me see your face.
Eyes are higher. There we go.
Orange.
Ready?
Yeah, this is pink and red, and it's pretty. Okay, give me your face. You said your eyes were high.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I
There you go.
believe
There's
you.
my eyes.
It's great.
This is so much fun.
Yeah. You look great, I think.
You having so much fun?
Yeah.
You're choosing such beautiful colors.
Yeah. Okay. You are going to look so beautiful. How does she look? Does she look good? Yeah, I think so too.
Now from the blue or purple row.
Yeah.
And she's using the Fade into Hue palette by ColourPop. And she's using one shade of each row. Now a blue.
Now the other side. I'm doing such a great job.
You are doing a fantastic job.
And where's your eye?
Right there.
Okay,
What do we have left?
princess poop.
Princess Poof. Alright.
Wait, I have to get it open.
Yeah, you can get it open. You can feel your way. Oh.
Okay, last but not least, the spray again.
Alright.
I
Yeah.
think.
I'll take the lid off.
Wait! No, this.
Oh, you want to use that?
Yeah. This again.
Okay, cool. Alright. It's an eyeshadow too.
Okay. Spray time.
Hold on. Let me make sure that. Okay, here we go. All right, are you ready for the big reveal?
Hmm.
Okay, take it off. Am I absolutely beautiful?
Yeah. Wait, close your eyes. wait. This is gonna be embarrassing.
Are you gonna take a picture of me?
Yeah,
Here
and
you go.
send it. Okay.
Hold on, let me take these off.
Okay, first a picture with your eyes open. Okay, now a picture with your eyes closed.
What do you think, guys? Did Skylan just do an absolutely amazing job with my makeup blindfolded? I'm not gonna lie, I like the purple and the blue that you put up here, and then this other little Crystal Cave pressed glitter. Those are really pretty. I guess I'm gonna have to wear this until Daddy gets home, huh? You didn't even get lipstick on my lips like once.
She looks great.
And this is the final look.
Yeah.
Alright, did you have fun doing that?
Yeah.
I got a little bit of makeup on you. Mwah.
Let's wait until everybody gets here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take it off until they get here. Alright, ready to say goodbye?
Yeah. Bye, guys. If you like this channel, like and subscribe.
Until next time, bye!